University of Hartford students, this is a quick little video to show you how to get the Office 365 apps downloaded on your computer. If you go up to My UHart and go to Hawkmail and click that open, you will then see 9 dots in the upper left-hand corner. From here, you'll see your online versions of Microsoft apps that we have here at the University of Hartford. But there's going to be some times when you're going to need the downloaded version of the apps, and we provide that for you for free here at the University of Hartford. The online versions are kind of limited in some functionalities. There's going to be some functions that you're going to want to do in the downloaded app versus the online app. So if you're ever having problems with the online app, I recommend before you start the semester downloading the app from here. So first click on More Apps from here. And in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a button that says Install Apps. Go here and then get the Office or Microsoft 365 apps from here, and it will ask you to install it on your computer. Go ahead right here and click Install Office. And it's going to download the appropriate file for your computer. So download it to your downloads folder, click save, click yes, and then you can then start the executable file by double clicking on it. If you're on a Mac, it's probably going to be a PKG file, so you can open that from your Mac and install it on your computer. Once you have it installed on your computer, it will be free to you. It'll ask you probably to sign in with your University of Hartford credentials, and you'll have it on your computer and free to you as long as you're at the University of Hartford. Enjoy and have fun with Microsoft Office.